If your homemade pizza keeps coming out pale on the bottom, soggy in the middle, or nothing close to what you get from a real pizza place, the problem probably isn't your recipe, it's your cooking surface. Most regular baking trays just don't hold heat properly, which means the crust never gets that crispy, evenly baked texture people actually want. The Pizzacraft ThermaBond Pizza Stone is designed to solve exactly that problem by turning your oven or grill into something much closer to a real pizza oven. So this is the Pizzacraft 15-inch square ThermaBond Pizza Stone, and it's really aimed at home cooks who love homemade pizza, artisan bread, pastries, or grilled flatbreads, but want better results without investing in an expensive, dedicated pizza oven. Whether you're baking from scratch or just trying to improve frozen pizza night, this stone is meant to create more even heat and a better crust overall. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the first thing you notice is the size and shape. The square design actually gives you more usable surface area than many round pizza stones, which becomes surprisingly helpful when you're making larger pizzas or baking bread. It feels sturdy without being ridiculously heavy, and the ThermaBond material gives it a more refined finish compared to some rougher baking stones that can feel overly fragile. One thing I appreciate immediately is that it comes ready to use. There's no seasoning process, no complicated prep, and no learning curve just to get started. You basically preheat it, place your dough or pizza on top, and let the stone do its thing. And because it's thermal shock resistant, it handles temperature changes much better than cheaper stones that sometimes crack after a few uses. That alone gives it a more dependable feel long term. In real-world cooking, the difference becomes obvious pretty quickly. Once fully preheated, the stone holds heat consistently and transfers it directly into the dough, which is what creates that crispier crust people struggle to achieve with standard trays. Instead of soft, uneven bottoms, pizzas come out more evenly browned with better texture throughout. It's especially noticeable with fresh dough because the base cooks properly before the toppings dry out. What surprised me most to watch how versatile it actually is beyond pizza. Homemade bread develops a much better crust, pastries bake more evenly, and even frozen pizzas improve noticeably. If you use a grill, it also adds another layer of flexibility because you can create a more outdoor, brick oven-style cooking experience without needing specialized equipment. Now, like all pizza stones, there's a little patience involved. You do need to preheat it properly, ideally around 30 minutes, or you won't get the full benefit. It's not a quick shortcut tool. It's more about improving cooking quality through better heat retention. Also, because it naturally darkens and stains over time, people expecting spotless cookware may need to adjust expectations a bit. But honestly, that discoloration is completely normal and actually shows the stone is being used correctly. Cleaning is pretty straightforward, too. Unlike metal pans covered in baked-on grease, most residue can be cleaned with hot water and a soft scrubber. You don't use soap, and you definitely don't soak it. Once you understand that pizza stones work differently from traditional cookware, maintenance becomes simple. Compared to similarly priced baking stones, the Pizzacraft stands out because of its thermal shock resistance and larger square design. Some cheaper stones heat unevenly or become prone to cracking with repeated high temperatures, while premium pizza ovens obviously outperform any stone but cost significantly more. This sits comfortably in that middle ground where you get a real upgrade in baking performance without spending a fortune. Overall, the Pizzacraft ThermaBond Pizza Stone feels like one of those kitchen tools that quietly improve everything you bake. It's simple, durable, and genuinely helps create better pizza and bread at home without making the process more complicated. If you want crispier homemade pizza and more consistent baking results from your oven or grill, this is definitely worth checking out. The link is down in the description if you want pricing or more details. And if this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.